Some persons will be like, this tech thing, how does it actually work? Is it that if I should start today, I will become a billionaire or something? I want to make you to understand that tech is not get rich quick, right? It's not a get rich quick scheme, something that you should start today, you make money. No, it takes time. You have to build that skill, right? You have to be visible. You have to be credible. That is the most, if you want to actually want to unlock that key, that, hey, you're now working in tech and you're making money, you have to be visible, you have to be credible, and you also have to have that skill. Very, very important. And once you're able to have that, right, build on your integrity. I don't know if you get my point, especially if you're going to work on cybersecurity, right? If you feel you want to focus on cybersecurity, your integrity is the key. If you don't have integrity, let me tell you one thing. If you don't have integrity, nobody's going to hire you. Nobody's going to hire you to do anything. You have to start to build your integrity from day one, right? Some persons will actually tempt you. This is a secret. Some persons will tempt you, right, with offers. They know that they're not going to give you those offers, right? But they will tempt you to see the kind of person you are. Listen, some persons is going to tempt you, right, with offers. They know that they won't give you those offers, but they want to tempt you to see the kind of person you are, right? You have to build your integrity from day one, right? Do not chase money. Allow money to chase you. Once you begin to chase money, if your aim is to chase money, right, you will kill your integrity. Allow those money to chase you by solving a problem. Once, just gather the skills, right? Learn the skills, be visible, be credible. And after then, allow those clients to look for you to solve their problems. And once you're solving those problems, be honest with your pricing, right? Don't charge something. Okay, I'll do this for you, right? Okay, fine. And this is the amount. And after you are done, or before in the middle of it, you say, okay, do you know what? You need to buy this. You need to do this. You need to do that. No, clients don't want to hear that, right? Do all your possible best to avoid those stuffs. If you want to really work remotely, right? If you want to focus on gigs, right? Make sure your pricing, you're honest with it. Do not ambush your clients. Get the skill. Be very, very visible, right? Be credible and have integrity. If you must work in tech, if you must work in security, any kind of security stuff, especially cybersecurity, right? Make sure you have integrity. Do not play with it. Do not sell it for token, right? Your integrity is everything. That is what is going to determine if you're going to stay long-term or short-term. The kind of jobs you're going to get, your integrity matters. Sometimes before a client gives you a job, right, they want to go and search about you. Who is this person? They want to make sure that when they are searching those things, right, these things they are seeing is what you want them to see. Be very, very intentional about that. See you.